Are you a teacher, police officer, firefighter, first responder looking to buy a home but can't in this market? I've got some amazing news for you. The Helper Act, a bill in Congress to help the 6 million of this demographic of teachers, firefighters, police, first responders who need to live in the communities that they serve but can't find a way to do it. Relief is on the way. This Helper Act, if passed, which I hope it is going to provide a great mortgage product. I'll get more into that in this video. I'll leave links and everything like that. I'm super excited about this, so stay tuned. All right, Matt, the mortgage guy, licensed in 48 states. Greatmortgagebroker.com is how you connect with me and my team. I'm a mortgage broker who loves serving people, especially those who serve the community. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the Helper Act. I'm going to talk about some of the details of the mortgage program. Keep in mind, this is something that's, been introduced. It hasn't been passed. The mortgage product hasn't been released, but we hope it does. And I'll be the first to share with you if and when it does. Subscribe to this channel if you like up-to-date mortgage and real estate content. I really appreciate it. Hundreds of videos. I'll continue to make them, giving you up-to-date information on what's going on with not only mortgage and mortgage products, but the real estate market and what I'm seeing and feeling out there because I'm in the weeds. Mortgage broker working day in and day out with borrowers just like you. So I'll share the link to this. This is helper/act.com. And this is HR 3170 and S1514, the Helper Act. Homes for every local protector, educator, and responder. If you go to this website, you can sign up for the newsletter. I'm not affiliated with it. I don't get paid for it. I'm following it just like you because I think it would be an amazing product, right? 6 million Americans having trouble, current interest rate environment, everything else going on, living in the communities that they serve, right? So on this website, there's different ways you can support it. It'll show you who's, already sponsored this in the House and the Senate. Here's some information on the mortgage. And here's where I can give you, my take as a mortgage broker who's been around a lot of mortgages, seen a lot of things. This product, if this is passed and if this is available, is going to be an amazing product. For those who are familiar with mortgage and know that for veterans, you can get 100% financing. You don't have mortgage insurance. These first two bullet points of this mortgage product look a lot like that. Would not require a down payment, would also not require you to pay mortgage insurance, which you do on all other loan products where you put less than 20% down. It's going to be a government-backed product. So it's going to have FHA price limits, which based on where you're at, you're not going to be able to buy a $2 million home with this, which most people aren't trying to do. You're also going to be able to get seller assistance up to 6%. So in a perfect world, you're able to buy a home, finance 100%, get some seller assistance to either buy down the mortgage interest rate and or pay closing costs. There's not going to be monthly mortgage insurance. And so the monthly payment is going to be lower. Lots of really, really good things here. And there's going to be links. I'll leave this down below. But, these are affordable mortgage possibilities for local protector, educator, and responder. There's a video on this page as well, basically talking about how we can't leave these people behind. We can't have it to where the teachers that are teaching our youth, the police that are protecting our communities, the firefighters, the first responders, we can't have them unable to purchase and live in the neighborhoods they're serving. I think it's reasonable and it makes a lot of sense, right? Let's help them. So this is who benefits: teachers, police and law enforcement officers, firefighters, paramedics, EMTs. I'm going to dig in to find out, if this is going to also include nurses and some of the other medical field workers, which I hope it does. Not all the details are out on it yet, but it's going to be a streamlined home loan program that delivers access to affordable housing for our nation's first responders and educators. So stay tuned. This is an amazing product. I think that if and when this is passed, it's going to be something that is going to open up doors, literally, right? Doors to homes for these folks that serve these communities. So any questions at all, please feel free to reach out. You can, respond right on the YouTube video or wherever you find this video. You can send me an email, team@mtmg.com. You can fill out the form if you're interested in getting pre-approved for this product or any other product, greatmortgagebroker.com. Looking forward to helping. Excited for this program. Stay tuned for more. Bye-bye.